National Geographic Amazing Chemistry Set. 100 plus explosive science experiments for kids, fun STEM gift. Ready to spark your child's curiosity and bring science to life? The National Geographic Amazing Chemistry Set is a powerhouse of 100 plus thrilling experiments, perfect for kids who love hands-on fun and learning. This isn't your ordinary science kit, it's an adventure packed with bubbling potions, color-changing liquids, glowing test tubes, and a colorful bouncing ball. Kids will be mesmerized as they explore the wonders of chemistry, and with over 85 bonus experiments using everyday items, the fun doesn't stop. It's the ultimate STEM gift for any budding scientist, ideal for ages 8 and up. Unlike other kits that only scratch the surface, this one goes above and beyond by including all the materials for 15 unique, jaw-dropping experiments. Your child will grow a crystal tree, change liquids with their breath, and create glowing worms, all while using authentic scientific tools like test tubes, beakers, and pipettes. The hands-on learning experience is unmatched, turning the process of scientific discovery into a thrilling game of experimentation. It's a quality STEM kit that teaches real scientific concepts, making learning about chemistry fun and engaging. What makes this chemistry set superior to others? It's the quality and attention to detail. With an award-winning brand like National Geographic behind it, you know you're getting a top-tier product designed to last. The kit's materials are durable, and the experiments are designed with safety in mind, so kids can enjoy hours of exploration without worries. Plus, it's tech-tested, with clear, easy-to-follow instructions that guide your little scientist step by step. It's the kind of toy that grows with your child, keeping them entertained and educated for years. This is more than just a toy, it's a time-saving investment in your child's education. With 100 plus experiments, it's a long-lasting source of fun that saves you from endless trips to the store for new materials. The included guide ensures your kids can repeat experiments, create new ones, and continue to challenge themselves with STEM activities. It also saves money by using common household items for the bonus experiments. The affordability of this kit, considering the number of activities it includes, makes it a steal compared to similar products. Get ready to watch your child's imagination and scientific curiosity soar with the National Geographic Amazing Chemistry Set. Not only does it offer endless hours of fun, but it also promotes cognitive development and sparks a lifelong love of learning. Whether they're crafting color-changing solutions, creating fizzy reactions, or discovering the magic of chemistry, this kit has it all. If you want to ignite your child's passion for science in an entertaining and educational way, this chemistry kit is a no-brainer. It's a fun, engaging, and unforgettable gift for any kid with a curious mind.